Hi guys, welcome to the channel again. I am going to learn React.js and I will be doing a live stream on this entire learning process. This is something which I have just started from the basic. I work in an IT industry and there is a need for this a React.js application. So I have to learn that and implement that in my project. I am going to start from the basic because I have never created a React.js application, a proper full-fledged React.js application earlier, other than just printing hello world or something like that. So again, I have to start from the basic and learn this. There's a need and implement it for in my project. If you want to join me, you can join through the Discord link in the description. So this is the live streaming which is going on, and then here if you go in description, there is a Discord link. If you want, you can just join on the Discord, and we can do a group study or we can discuss on topics. Right, so the link I have provided in the description. You can also connect to me through the chat, but it's always good to connect people directly through voice or screen sharing, and that's really good for a group study. So yeah, you can join me on Discord, and if you want to directly communicate through chat, that's also okay. But the thing is, I'm going to start from the beginning and I will see how it goes. So yeah, let's start then. So first thing first, I have just downloaded the Node.js. I will be doing this development on this Visual Studio Code because that is one of the best IDE for best free IDE for JavaScript development. Now I'm just downloading this Node.js. I just downloaded, but I'm going to download it for again because this is live stream. So this is the one I will be using, the LTS. LTS is long term LTS long term support. Yeah, long term support it is. So this is like the current version, but this LTS will be supported for very long time because that is what is committed from Node.js community. So I think it's always better to go with the LTS releases. Now Windows binary.zip, I will like to I usually prefer downloading this zip binaries so that I can just it doesn't get installed as such like an installer, and I can just copy it somewhere and then give the path in class paths. Now 1 second. Now what I'm going to do is I will check my class path first. To check the class path, I mean in the environment variables, let's check where Node.js was installed, because I already had Node.js, but I think that was a little old version. So here it's installed in this place. Okay, so I'll just delete this one and then install the new one. I don't want this. Yeah, I will just delete this entirely. I will delete the old zip as well, and I have a new installer. I'll copy this one. Let's remove this. And I'm going to extract this to extract all to one of folder. Okay, so it got extracted to this folder, or one folder inside. So I'll just pull this out one step behind. Whatever the content is, I'll just copy the entire content and I'll paste it over here, and I will delete this. Something is left or what? Oh, it's still copying. Oh guys, okay, I will just cancel this. One second, I think there are lots of files to be extracted, right? I'll just delete this one. Extract all, extract. Yeah, here it's extracting and it takes a while. Yeah, and the path, I can give the path in advance. Hold on, I want to keep it at this path. Okay, or let's do one thing. I will just not put a version, so that I don't have to in future, like I can just replace it with a new version, and then the path will be same. So yeah, I will just put a path like this. Let's see if copy is done or what. No man, this is still copying. Ooh. Let's clean my recycle bin. It's a lot of stuff already here. Oh my god, I haven't cleaned it for a very long time. I think there were easily like 4 GBs of data in my recycle bin, but that's good now. Let's check one more time. Yeah, the copying is done. So what I will do is I will just rename this folder Node.js. Okay, and then I will copy all the content from here to here. I think it's all empty now. Yeah, now this is all empty, so we can delete this one. Okay, now this is our folder. Let's check if it works. CMD. Again guys, this is just I'm learning it from the very basic. It will be slow process, but it's good to learn. So yeah, this is the version which I downloaded, 18.17. I'll just delete these as well because I have the backup there. Okay, 18.17. So I have Node.js installed now. Let's check from here. Node. It's working from here, not from here. Terminal. Next terminal. Okay, I think I need this command prompt. Why is it not working? Let me close this and try to open this again. Let's try. Oh yeah, it's working now. Even PowerShell. Yeah, PowerShell is also working. So I will just delete these and let's study. I don't know which from where to refer the tutorials, but let's do a Google search. Yes, Node.js dev. Let's go to the official Node.js website. How to install? We have installed it. No, not I think I need a React.js, right? React.js. I want to learn React.js. Sorry, React.js dev. Okay. Learn. Let's see what task manager wants. So Discord is taking most of the CPU, although my Discord server is almost empty. There's no activity going on here, but I think this takes even more processing than OBS. Yeah, I easily get distracted with items that I want to check. No, it's fluctuating. Okay, no issue. So now Discord is also stable, so I think that was something going on there. But yeah, now OBS streaming is taking most of the time, most of the processing. So this is my PC. CPU power being used is around 20. Certain hard disk activity, no Wi-Fi, because it's almost streaming all the time. Okay. This is NVIDIA. So 11%, 10% GPU is also being used. Wow. Temperature is 61 degree. That's quite cozy. Yeah, I'm planning to buy not buy actually. I mean, yeah, buy means get a PC assembled. But for now, my current PC is working fine, so there's not a urgent need for that. But yeah, sooner or later, if my channel grows, I will be buying a dedicated PC, a gaming PC in short, just for a full-fledged YouTubing and streaming. But yeah, let's start the learning process. Quick start. Where to be? Welcome to the channel page. Will give you. What is this? App.js. Download. I'm a button. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Where was that? Here. So it says it's based on components. That's I already know. Now that we have decided my button, we can nest it into another component. Okay, so this is like my button, which is there created like a function, and they have embedded, kind of embedded into another component. So yeah, that is what it's saying. Now you have declared my button, you can nest it into another component. Notice that my button slash hash starts with a capital letter. That is how you know React component. Okay. Oh wow. So this is a component, and here is is how we have embedded this function. My button. I'm a button. So I think we should be clicking on it. It's not like a clicking. I mean, this thing is embedded this inside this page. So here it's showing I am a button. This is welcome to my page. Welcome to my page, and this is my button. Okay, I got it. Notice that my button starts. Have a look here at the result. Let's try it. I don't know. This will. I've just downloaded it, but will it work on this place also? New file .js. Let's try. I haven't tried it. Can I run this? I don't know. I can run this or I cannot run this. Button. I don't think this we can run. I don't know how to render this, but downloading it from here, it gave me this file. Let's see what's the content. Open with I will just try to open with Notepad++. Very nice software. Okay, close other. Okay, no to all. Okay, it's like this. So it's basically an HTML page, and there are other things as well. So it okay, that's why I'm not able to directly run it on VS Code. My button is embedded, and this is like this here, and it's all embedded inside a script. Okay, and this is just rest of the styling. Got it. Let's move on. Again guys, this is I've started from basic, so don't expect me to be like an expert. And if you want to join me, join me on Discord in the description section, so we can do a group study. Support default specifies the main component. Account. Okay, so here is writing markup with JSX. I think it's markup syntax. I mean, I think it's supported by React. So it's saying JSX is stricter than HTML. Hope you have a closing tag like this. Your component also return multiple JSX tags. You have to wrap them into a separate tag. Okay. Let's see what we get at the end here. Oh my god. Is it true? I mean, we can get something like this. Wow. Nice. So what is going on here? Let me go back. Okay. So writing markup with JSX. The markup syntax you have seen above is called JSX. Above. But most projects use JSX for this convenience. All of the tools we recommend for local development support JSX out of the box. JSX is stricter than HTML. You have to close tag like br/. Your component also can't return multiple JSX tags. You have to wrap them into a shared parent. Okay, on an empty wrapper. If you have a lot of HTML to port for JSX and then converter. If you have a lot of HTML to port to JSX, okay, there is a converter to convert HTML into JSX, is it? Okay, this is quite familiar, and this is JSX. Okay, so we have something like these tags. So this HTML is converted to JSX. Yeah, there's little difference. Markup syntax I have seen. Yeah, one second, guys. I think I'm just cleaning few stuff from my PC. Okay, let's get back here. I'm sorry. I easily get distracted while studying, and I'm a slow learner as well. Okay, let me bring some coffee. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. Now, adding styles in React, you have to specify class name. But you can use an online converter, adding style in React. You have. Okay, these are fine. I got it. That I what I understood is like this is JSX format, which it was saying here. You have closed tags like BR component. You can't return JSX. So in JSX you have tags like this or an empty one. You have to wrap it around either div or an empty like this, and it's more stricter than HTML for closing and opening it. So here you have like JSX implementation here and here. Yeah, and what is it doing is like creating a constant. Name is this constant user. So here one component is like an image size is 90, and we'll try to play around it. and this is where it's embedded. So user, right? User should be embedded somewhere around this. Source image is equal to users dot image URL. I mean, that is what I understand from here. Avatar. Let's see here, right? And the image is, where's the image? Desktop download. This should be the image. Yeah, this should be the image. Let's see if we can play around it. I will try to open it in Notepad. Open with Notepad ++. Where is the image? Yeah, right. Now, man, how does this one open? Close it. I think I clicked it on it by mistake. Now let's image size. If we change image size to 900, what will it look like? Oh, it's changing size of the image. Okay, let's try some other image from cat images. Okay, images. So cat images, if we can put a GIF image here. Are these GIF images? I'm not sure. Let's try this one. Copy link. Yeah, copy GIF link. Will it copy? Yeah, here's the cat. Now I will just React client. Image URL is here, and I will just rename it to cat. So this is the cat image. What we are actually doing here is we have this component or constant, and here's the user, and this is where we have embedded inside this JSX user.name. Okay, user.name is coming over. Where is name? Yeah, here. Header is user.name. Source is image URL. So image URL is coming, and this is, I think, when you hover on it. No. Okay, let's see. No. What is this alt photo of? Oh, alt photo of is I think if image is not loaded, in that case, like, it will be showing off that information. We'll try that. Okay, let's make this little smaller first, 300. Okay, and let's try to refresh this. There should be a cat over here. Oh yeah, the cat is coming over here. And then what I will do is, like, I want to print this message. Where was that? Alt is something which I believe, I will have to check, but I believe that if this image is not a valid one, I mean a correct one, if it's not able to pull this image, then it will show like this. So I have corrupted the URL. Let's see if it shows that message. Yeah, photo of cat. Yeah, this is what I was expecting. Now if I correct the URL, the cat should be back over here. Yeah, let's make it bigger because I like that image. 900. Yeah, this is full size. Looks nice, guys. Looks good. So till now I think we are on at least having some little bit of understanding. I am okay with this, and then I'm going to move further. Where is this? Oh man, did I lost that URL? I was studying on a page, right? React, yes. I was studying here, okay. I have 3 browsers open and I get confused. So Chrome is where I'm having this React.js tutorial. Let's I can lock this. Let's try it here. Oh no, I'm not here. Let's keep it over here. Okay. Yeah, here you have this pin tab. Unpin. So okay, till now we are good. So in place of this photo, we played around and we replaced it with a cat. Conditional rendering. In React, there is no specific syntax for writing condition. Instead, you will use the same technique as you use when writing regular JavaScript. For example, you can use an if statement to conditionally include JSX. If this, else this, return this. Again, guys, I'm more familiar with Java code rather than JavaScript, so everything looks new to me. If you prefer more compact code, you can use conditional. Use the map function to transform an array. So what is it doing? Notice how li has a key attribute. For each item in the list, you should pass a string or a number that uniquely identifies that item among its siblings. Usually a key should be coming from your data. So the database React.js uses a key to know what happens if you later insert, delete or reorder the item. Okay. Let's download this one also. Let's open this file. What is it telling? Okay. There is no special syntax for writing conditions. Instead, you will use the same technique as you use while writing JavaScript. For example, if statement to conditionally include JSX. If you prefer more compact code, you can write condition question mark operator, unlike if it works inside JSX. Okay, so here, so this is like written within JavaScript, and this is written within JSX. This is like more like kind of closer to HTML format. When you don't need else branch, you can also use shorter logical and syntax, and is logged in and okay, we'll get familiar with this as we start coding. Rendering list, you will rely on JavaScript feature like for loop and the array map function to render list of components. For example, let's say that you have an array of products. Constant turtle cabbage. So this is array of products. So it will be, I think it's map, so it will transform an array of product into array. Okay, so it's like a lambda expression, I believe, the map function, and it's going to take each of the product and create an array. Key product title. Okay, so this will be creating an array. Return list item. Okay, notice that how li has a key attribute, so this is a constant. Okay, got it. So it's iterating over this and creating a, so, but why apple is red? So there should be a logic behind it, right? Let's see. Where was that? Yeah, this one, right? View page source. The constant. Okay, apple is fruit. True. Apple is pink. Cabbage and garlic are not. So here is the condition: if apple is fruit, where this we download, right? Can I edit it over here, or can I edit this page? Inspect. Again, guys, new to this UI stuff, so console, welcome element, body. I can edit it. Yeah, edit as HTML. I can edit it over here. So editing I will do here itself. Reload dev2. Additional dev2 component has been installed. Reload. I don't know what it installed. Okay, so body and then header. Header we are going to ignore it. Style body. Where is that element? This element. Script. Yeah, this one. So I'm going to edit. Edit as HTML. Okay. So here it says cabbage is fruit false, garlic is fruit false, apple is fruit true. Okay. So and here let app, here is where the Java the React.js part starts. The app and it's iterating over this constant map, and it's saying here style color is fruit. If it's a fruit, then magenta. If it's not, then dark green. So if we say banana here, banana is fruit, true, then first will be banana and it will be pink, and then it will be, yeah, it will be pink. How to edit this banana? Let's do we have to refresh it? Oh man, how to edit this? And banana, can we just refresh this page, or put it and sync? Identify your project root folder to open source file. Don't show again. I don't know what to say. I want to refresh this page without I don't know, edit text. Banana. Can't I just edit over here and it will refresh on this? Okay. Okay, let it be. Then what we will do, I mean, I have seen on places that you can edit things over here. It should refresh over here. How to do that? Console element. How to ml in browser itself. Open Chrome, inspect, right click HTML, edit as HTML. Okay, this is what we did. No, I edited it, but it's not showing over here. Yeah, I edited it like edited HTML. I made it banana. Now I want this to refresh and pick it up, right? The new value. Not reflecting. Let's try this. Does not reflect a bit code. What are people saying? Try refreshing Control F5. This will empty the browser cache and refresh the page. We have different files. It happens. Control or Control F5. Will it work? Control F5. It's bringing back the original stuff, right? I mean, I can go in the source code and I can simply edit it. That I can do easily, like here. Hold on. Maybe the thing is like JavaScript. It's not. We are not able to edit, but let's try editing header. Maybe that's the thing, like edit as HTML. One second. Now I can go in the source code here. Edit, open with Notepad ++. Here, what I can do is like I can change here in the source code banana and make it true, and here for sure it will reflect. But I think there is a there we can edit it on browser itself. Edit HTML and JSS code in the browser itself with Chrome Dev tool. Let's see what this guy says. Edit at HTML. Okay, he's editing. Tab. Okay, he's editing. We have only scratched the surface of Chrome Dev tool, but is his code reflecting? Let's say I want to edit this. Inspect, right? Edit. So I want to edit this. Edit as HTML. Where was that line? I want to just delete the last name. Oh man. Oh, this one I have replaced. Okay, let's try to edit this. Edit. Why it doesn't? Edit as HTML, right? Cat. Let's do small cat, and I try to refresh this. Adidas HTML small cat. Try to refresh this. That is the, I don't know how do we do that. HTML body. Let's edit you have to press save or something. Let's try again. So edit as HTML, okay. Maybe I have to press save after that. Let's do on this one where it was. There's a cat, right? Small cat. I was trying to edit as HTML small cat. Okay, now I saved it. What was the file name? Yeah, save it. Save. Let's try to refresh now. Oh, maybe I have to save it. Okay, let's do here also. So banana, garlic, potato, and then this is false, so it will be again like green, and that the other one. Here. Huh? It didn't save. I think it did not. Banana. I changed it to potato, right? Potato is fruit. False. Now I want to save this. Save it in which it's referring to something else, is it? Oh, it came. Okay, so this is also good. Let's move on. So we changed the color. We little bit understood how this is iterating over this constant, and based on the what kind of fruit, if it is a fruit or not, it's changing the color. Okay, responding to event. You can respond to event by declaring event handler function inside a component. Upgrading the screen. Okay, so this is some event based. By looking at this code, let's jump onto the final code. So this is importing something. It's not just like, I don't know, this will be part of some HTML maybe. So when you click it, it will just increase the counter. So counter that updates separately. Button, there are two buttons. Let's read some text. You can respond to elements by declaring event handler function inside your components. Notice how click on click has no parameters at the end. Do not call the event handler function, you only need to pass it down. React will call your event handler when the user clicks the button. Okay, you clicked me. React will call your component function again. This time count will be 1, that will be 2, and so on. So import counter dot, let's download it. Nothing that in that way, like it's notepad. Yes, so we'll close others, close all but this. Yes, so here counter data updates. So React street mode, so this is all inside HTML, and here the script starts. It's importing these two packages. I think these are called packages. Now React strict mode, I don't know what is strict mode. Import, I think it's a class, kind of class from the package. Have to see, I mean and then there's a app return counter data updates separately, my button. Okay, both are buttons, so it's embedded 2 times. So function my button count set count use state user state. Okay, click handle, click count, and then it prints the count on click. Okay, so this is how it's written. Okay, so yeah, this is let's try this. One, two, three. So both has its own state, 1, 2, 3, because in the code there's a count, right? set state, user state. So user state can be, because they have embedded it 2 times, so both will have a separate state. That is what I assume. Constant count set state, count set state. Okay guys, let's move on to next one. Slowly we will understand using a hook. Notice that how each button remembers its own count. Yeah, here it's saying and does not affect the other button. So the number of times we have embedded it, we have embedded it 2 times, right? So it will have its own count state. Got it. Functions starting with use are called hooks. User state is built in hook provided by React. You can find other built-in hooks in the API reference. You can also write your own hook by combining the existing one. Hooks are more restrictive than other functions. Everything is more restrictive. You can only call hooks at the top of your components. If you want to use user state in a condition or a loop, extract a new component and put it there. Sharing data between components. Sharing data between components. In the previous example, each my button has its own independent count. When each button was clicked, only the count of the button click changed. Okay. Do we use here? Here we do not have hook. User is a built-in hook provided by React. However, often you will need component to share data and always work together. To make both buttons work together, display the count, update together, you need to move state from individual button upward to the closest component containing all of it. Oh, I mean, these guys, these things are important to understand. So it's kind of sharing. One click, update this count to +1, passes it down to both children. This is like what is it? One-way binding, or I don't know what. Now that click either button, the count in my app will change, which will change both of the count in my button. Here's how you can express this in code. First, move the state up from button into my app. So here my app constant, this is a constant function, on click set count +1. So on click button, we are moving code from here. Let's download this and check what it's trying to say. Open with Notepad++. Okay, now it's saying that on click is different from this one. Here it was just my button, and here it's my button count, on click handle. Okay, set count +1. Do we have this use? Hook is not here also. User state. What was this saying about the hook? No, not this. Using hook. Function starting with use are called hook. Function starting with use. Use. Okay. Okay, this is also hook. Built-in hook provided by. Okay, so that we have. Use state. Where is that? Use state. Import use state from React. Use state is equal to this. This is a hook. How it works, man. This is like another language we have to learn. Use state is a built-in hook provided by React. You can find other built-in hook API. You can also write your own hook by combining the existing one. Hooks are more restrictive than other functions. You can only call hook at the top of your component for other hook. If you want to use state in a condition or loop, extract a new component and put it there. So how is it extracting and putting it there? I think it's count is equal to count. So it's upgrading on click handle. On click handle click. Handle click. Sorry, on click, it's calling this function which is setting count plus 1, and then count is equal to count, and it's refreshing the count on this variable which is being shared by buttons. That is what I understand. Let's see how it works actually. Where is it? Yeah, count 3. I mean, this is another script. Let's do it for the current one which we downloaded. So if I click on this, I think both will share that same amount. Yeah. Okay, let's move on. With time we will understand better. Again, I'm slow learner, so it takes time until I do it practically, and I'm not confident until I do all these things practically. Building a small project for myself, describing the UI. So yeah, the next one was thinking in React and tutorial tic-tac-toe. Do you want to make a tic-tac-toe project? I don't know, man. I just want to create a small form for now. This tic-tac-toe is not bad. Let's download the last one, final one. Yeah, this one. How many lines of code it is? Open with Notepad++. Oh man, no. See, again, this is calculations where it's creating a matrix or a 3-dimensional array, and these are all the functions. But since we have started from basic, let's not jump onto this this level of thing. See, this will create a game like this. Let's start from beginning. X0, X. Oh, nice. It has the logic to stop also, because winner chooses the winner. Next player 0. It's cool. X is the winner. Who is the winner? Nice. It can tell you who's winner. How does it tell? Status winner, winner plus winner. Calculate winner. That's really good. But anyways, we have to move on, because I'm just going to implement from the basics, and I'm going to start from what I will need from my project. So I will be needing a small form which can submit something to the backend. Maybe the backend can return some value, and then something like that we can try to do. Okay. Mhm. Okay, editor setup. So it's yes, code editor. Yeah, this is what we are using. But there are other editors as well, saying like WebStorm, Sublime, Vim. But VS Code is I like VS Code. Simple and easy and free of cost. And if you are not aware, guys, there are some React JS plugins as well. React. So especially these things which are from coming from Microsoft, right? These things you should install. These plugins will help you code. Uh, this is React Native. I don't know need React Native for now, but see, I mean, these are the plugins which you may like to install. What do I have? I just have this XML tool formatter for now, but I think other are already like coming inbuilt with this. But what I'm trying to say is React. There are plugins around React, so maybe you can explore it. Let's see, Node has some plugin or not. Node is this one is deprecated. This one is also deprecated. Okay, all these things are deprecated. Nice. Anyways, I mean this. We'll see during development if we need some project. We will try to incorporate that. Formatting. You launch PT. Launch. What is this? Pretty print. Code linter linting. Code linters find problems in code as you write, help you fix them early. It's a popular Java. So it's recommending to install this also, ESLint. Let's install this then. Continue. Oh, it's from Microsoft. Integrate ESLint into VS Code. Extension uses ESLint libraries in the open workspace folder. Okay, so this will do what is it will try to it will notify you if you have some error with your code. I don't know, this is coming from ESLint or what, but this is what it says. ESLint. See, ESLint does what? ESLint statically analyzes your code to quickly find problems. It is built into most text editor, and you can run ESLint as part of your continuous integration pipeline. So maybe it's already built in with this, but I have installed it like a plugin also. Okay, we'll see. Because it's recommending from here to install it on installation here. It's recommending from to install it on VS Code. This integrate ESLint into VS Code with official extension. Make sure you have enabled hook rules, and that these are essential and catch the most severe bug. Recommended preset already included in them. I think I will just install it for now. Install, reload. Maybe it's inbuilt, so developer tool, install for Chrome. Okay, this will install for Chrome. Let's do for Chrome. So this is a plugin for Chrome which will where are we? Answer. Copy. I want it on Chrome, right? So this is Chrome. I want this React developer tool. Add debugging tool, create. You will get two new tabs, components and profiler. The component tab show you the root React component that was rendered on the project, as well as the sub component that they ended up rendering. By selecting one of the component in the tree, you can inspect and edit its current properties. Let's install it. Who is providing this? Support is coming from where? Overview offered by Meta. Oh, Facebook itself is providing this. Should be good. I don't want to log in, but the extension is there or not? Yeah, it is. Chat. No thanks. Oh, guys, I'm already kind of not tired, but it takes time. Okay, so these things are okay. Maybe we'll have to jump to another onto some another tutorial, because I don't see other than some basics here. Tutorial. How to get a tutorial? Basic JS app. I just want to create a form, submit some data, get some data value on the front end. Let's see W3 school. Okay, what is it creating? Is it creating some app? I don't think so. This guy is also JSX is an extension to JavaScript. This is though it's not mandatory to use JSX. It is one of the good feature and easy to use. Components, virtual DOM, we have seen already. JavaScript expression can be used in JSX files using curly braces, for example. Okay. No. I want something like okay, npm start. Yeah, this is what I want. Proper React project. npm init. The folder structure will look like. Yeah, I think these are the steps. Let's do it, guys, one by one. So here is the React project. Okay, the folder is this one. I will just delete this what's the path of this folder first? Copy file. Yeah, Rebellion Explorer. Yeah, so for now I'm deleting this file because it's just like a test file. Move to recycle bin. I deleted that. I will start from the beginning. Again, this is the terminal, and we have to run this command npm init, initialize. So package name project. Okay, version 1.0. I think we can press tab also, or what? No, I think just enter will work. Yeah, first. So if you don't want to fill anything, you can just press enter. Entry point. Yeah, I think index.js will be the entry point. Test command. What is test command? I don't know what is test command. Let's Google it. React.js. Test command. What is this? Test command is an arbitrary command used as a convention to run testing process. It will always be generated when you run the npm init command. You can ignore this test command, or you can change it to use any command that's useful for your project. Okay. Test command is the command that is run whenever you call npm test. This is important when interacting with continuous integration. Say you deploy a project to AWS or some other host name, you can set up your infrastructure to automatically run test if there are problems in those tests. Okay. This field contains the program line. Okay, so default is test, but if you want to customize it with some additional execution, I think you can give it over here. For now, it's I want to keep it just like default. Git repository, I will take care of it later. Keywords, author is oh, I think these things it will fill out in some places. Is this okay? Okay, got it. So this is how kind of file it will create. Okay, let's see. Oh, package.json has been created. Okay, so all these have been registered inside a package.json. Okay, now what it's asking us to do, is list of packages. So these packages will have to install. Let's do this as well then. Install. Okay, to install this one. So React DOM, 2 packages install, and then third one is npm install React script. So it downloads from internet and install on your local. It's just like a maven install, it seems. It's downloading some of the packages. So here are the packages, React DOM, and then some I think interrelated stuff also comes along with it. This one is a big one. I think we can import it or install it at the global level as well, but it's nice to have it at local level so that it doesn't interfere with other packages. So that's why it's not adding that global thing. Now create a folder source where all JS code will come into that folder. Okay, now I will create a folder source. Hold on, new folder, src. I created the folder. Packages are still getting installed. Create a file index.json and import. Okay, inside source we have to create index.js. New file. And it's saying oh my god, it's installing lots of things. Yeah, let it continue. We will start with our stuff. So here it's saying first line, we will go line by line. First line is import this. Okay, this is already imported. Second line is import React DOM. Do we have it in? Oh man, there's so much of things. I think somewhere it will be React DOM also. I'm in OP IJKL. High security. There's another way. I think we can define node or npm path. How to configure location of global repository. npm rc. What do I have in npm rc? npm rc users npm rc. I do not even have that file. View show hidden is also there. Node repo. I don't think I even have a file there. How to spell the registry while to install this git repo? See npm path. Okay, so for global we have to add this, but this one looks okay. D tools and Node.js. Oh, this is the global path. Okay, so globally it will install here. Globally is nothing but a common repository path. This whatever command we ran, it installed in the local project location itself. So if we create another project, it will not be able to access these packages. Okay, let's move on. We'll do globally later. But yeah, this is first import, second import, and the third line again, like here I will put it here. Hello from YouTube. Okay, and then index.html. Create a folder for public / add index.html in that as shown below. New file index.html. Okay, title, head, root. So what we created here is root. this is division name, root. Here is what we are rendering and the element. I don't know, this is enough or what? Package script will take care of the compilation. And start the server to display the file index. You need to add the command in package script that will take care of using React script to compile the code and start server as below. Let's see what package is it. I have to just modules, package, script. So in scripts it's asking me to do this. React script start, run by npm start command. Let's do this. Let's try this. npm start. I don't know what is going on. Started React script start. Now, did it started already? I think there should be a this URL like this. Localhost 3000. No, I don't think. Something is wrong with my code then. Could not find required file index.html. Index.html is here itself, right? Do we need to keep it outside somewhere or public? Where do you have to place index.html? Oh, create a folder public. Oh, public we have to create. New folder, public. But where? Outside itself? I'm referring to this tutorial. Start. If this doesn't work, we will pull it outside of the source. Okay, I think it needs to be outside. Share. Maybe next I will just from the Explorer itself. I will just do. I'll pull it outside public. In source we do not have that anymore. Let's try. Where is this? We are unable to detect target browser. Would you like to add a default browser? Yes. Oh, what is it saying? Allow access. So it will add default browser on this npm package. It is picking Firefox. I want to not pick the Firefox. Let's hold on. Browser list development last. Default browser. Okay, whatever is the default browser, I don't care. Yeah, that's good. So yeah guys, it's slow but steady. Okay. Okay, what we did till now. Okay, we got that right. Local hosts 3000. Hello from YouTube. Okay, so this YouTube is here. Here index. So in public we have index.html and body is root, and here we are defining a root by root. Okay. So guys, I will take a break. I think I need to eat something. So again, like if you want to join this channel uh, and do a group study, maybe you can join. You want to join for a discussion, then there is a Discord link, and then you can join me from on Discord. I will stop live streaming now, but I will continue to study this. Maybe not on live stream, but I will do it on in parallel. But again, like the message is, please join me on YouTube and Discord if you want to discuss on any topic. The topic can be technical as well as um, about finances, because I feel that understanding of finances is equally important. So yeah, I'm open to have a discussion. Join me in Discord. The link is in the description section. Thank you very much. For now, I will stop streaming, and maybe I will stream once again. But for now, I will just do a study on my own. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.